Hello everyone. I'll tell you one of the most easiest way to back up your computer data. I always try my best to keep things simple for you and for that. You just need to open File Explorer, so either you can search in the search icon or if you see the icon for File Explorer, just open it. Once it is open, you need to make sure that where exactly you want to save your data. So if you want to save it to your external hard drive, you can connect it. If you want to save it to your USB plus drive, you can do that as well. Now the very first step is go to this PC from the left-hand side, and this will work on Windows 10, 8, 7, Windows 11, or on every version of Windows. So on here, and I need to go to this C drive, and here you will find users. Now you need to make sure which user account you use always. So I use this one, and here I need to go to. I'll just do a double click, and from here I can copy the folders, or you can copy the whole folder of the user and just copy it. Let's say if I want to just copy this documents. From here, I'll just copy it and paste it right there. In the external hard drive or the flash drive, this is the simplest way to back up your data, and you can do it. You don't need to be very much tech savvy to back up and sync and everything. Please let me know how exactly you back up your data. Do you back up your computer data or you just leave as it is? And please let me know if this video is helpful. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.